8x8 matrix and an LED sound sensor.
What does it do?
So they are both connected, so when the noise is below 70, it would be in the green or the yellow.
And
the face,
it would be a smiley face.
Yeah, it would be a smiley face. But like, see, it's in the orange, and then once it turns red, it says to be quiet, please, because it's above 80 decibels and can potentially start to hurt your ears.
Okay.
Like, cause like ear damage.
Can you make a noise above the? Wow, that's all it takes? So if my ear were right there where the sensor is, that would be too loud.
Yeah.
Okay.
We use an Arduino, breadboard, wires, an 8x8 matrix, resistors, an LED, an audio sensor, and a battery to make it.
And we also coded it, and we connected 2 different codes. So the first code was for this, which we took on our sound walk, and then the second code was for the 8x8 matrix, and then so we took part of that code that's right there and connected it to the 8x8 matrix in the void setup. In the void setup, so it would both be connected together.